Hello and welcome. Today we are going to add another recipe in our menu, and this is going to be one of those Cristiano would classify as edgy coffee. It is going to be sea salt latte. We are going to start with espresso shots, sea salt latte, and hot coffee. How does sea salt latte taste like? Is it worth going over the edge for this new recipe? Well, we are going to find out. Stay tuned until the end of this video tutorial so we can know exactly how they taste like and whether it tastes as good as or better than a regular latte. If you're looking for something new, something different, you can give this recipe a try. For the ingredients, we are going to make use of my medium roast coffee because it's going to be hot. And for the sea salt latte, how I'm going to do it is using a whipping cream, and then very simple, whipping cream and sea salt. Now to make the sea salt cream, I'm going to use a proportion which is 1/2 cup of whipping cream to 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. If you think it's too salty, you can make it to about 1/8 teaspoon, just enough to make the taste of your cream a little bit on the salty side. So to make it, I'm going to use my electric milk frother. Just a quick tip on using the milk frother. If you're going to use a milk frother instead of the hand mixer, I would suggest that you use an electric one. If you use a battery operated one, the speed is not strong enough and you'll probably take a long time and you don't get that texture that you're looking for. So use an electric milk frother, 120 ml or 1/2 cup of whipping cream to about 1/8 to 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. Put it in a measuring cup or any cup or glass. Whip for about a minute. What we're looking for is just the texture that is silky, smooth, and pourable. You don't want it to be too thick that you need to use a piping bag to put it on your drink. So it has to be pourable. So liquidy and also silky smooth. Scoop it up, and this is exactly what I'm looking for. Okay, now that we have our sea salt cream, let's pull our espresso shots. It's the moment of truth. This is one of your edgy coffee.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah? So are you willing to go over the edge for something new?
Well, it depends how good it is, maybe.
So this is sea salt latte.
Oh.
We use espresso shots, and I'm not going to tell you how I made this, but then you can check it when you watch the video later.
Oh, yeah.
But for now, we are going to give it a try. This time I made 2 cups, so one for you, one for me.
They're the same. Okay.
They're the same.
Thought we were doing a comparison.
Now let's do a taste test. Cheers.
Wow. Whoa. Do I have to? Can I mix it?
Yeah, but I think the idea is you sip through the cream, the sea salt cream.
Right? Okay.
Yeah.
That's why, yeah. I can definitely taste a distinct layer of sea salt and coffee, which I really like, actually.
You like it?
Yeah, yeah. I love it. I love it. This is exactly what I need right now.
This is someone who is traditional.
Oh, yeah.
With her coffee.
Yeah, I am traditional with my coffee. But this to me is, I wouldn't have it every day. I think it's more of like a special occasion coffee or like a dessert treat or something like that. I definitely have
nice,
it.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
It's lovely. I really thought it was just, the taste of the salt, right?
Yeah.
And the creamy.
It's got a really good balance of that. Like the flavor is what I would describe as like a really long flavor. It's very smooth. it starts off with the coffee taste, and then you sort of end with the sea salt. Is it sea salt cream? Yeah, the sea salt cream at the end. So it's almost like you start with the main course and then you end with a dessert all in one sip, which I really love. It's really smooth. But yeah, that flavor with the salty caramel is like, it's
not caramel.
Oh, not caramel. What was it?
The sea salt.
Oh yeah,
cream,
sea salt.
cream.
Yeah, I meant sea salt cream. Yeah, and like it's also really nice that there's like a creamy texture on top that comes with the flavor, and like a smoother, like the coffee underneath.
Right.
Yeah, you can really taste it.
I love it. I mean, it's supposed to be one of the new trending coffee latte.
Yeah,
so
it's one of my.
I really like the taste of it.
One of my approved, okay, edgy, definitely edgy coffees for sure.
Right. Well, actually, we have two more. I am going to.
Oh, really?
Introduce two more edgy coffee.
Oh, coming up.
And coming up. So this is the first one, sea salt latte.
I approve. I add this to my approved list.
There you go. So because Christiana approved and I definitely approve it, you must give this a try. Stay tuned for more edgy coffee recipes coming up. These are hot versions. We are going to make also iced versions later.
Oh, I'm so excited for the iced one.
And for the iced one, of course, we are going to make it trio. We're going to make it instant, cold brew, and espresso.
Oh, okay.
So we are going to give everyone and every type of budget something to look forward to. Okay? Well, thank you once again for hosting us and gracing us with your taste test skills. She's now the expert in taste testing my recipes. And we'll see you again next time. In the meantime, stay tuned, stay safe. Don't forget to click that subscribe button below for more of these video tutorials. Thank you for watching.
Ciao for now.